Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Nice, bright, sunny day. Fortunately, the Babs is still a little under the weather, but she's getting better. Very beautiful out here, nice and sunny.
No, it's hot.
It's a little warm, but hey. She's going to attempt another heart, my friends. But this time, new approach. So no matter what, she's gonna get something a little different. We'll see what this one looks like. She's going to start out with her washable marker. She's going to go ahead and draw the shape of a heart. And then pleat along that so that she can keep her shape the way that she wants, and that she doesn't end up with an oval. So we think that might be what went wrong last time.
Who knows?
Who knows? Who even knows?
And maybe since it's a little bit smaller shirt, it might work out.
Might be a little easier. Might be harder. Who knows? Who knows? But we're gonna find out, my friends. Hey, blow that nose there, Babes.
Yeah.
Getting it all pleated up right along her lines. Look at that. Just what she was hunting. Just something to do with the rest of it. Get you a nice scrunch or something going on.
If I don't get the heart this time, I'm gonna try
move on to something
yeah.
else. Yeah. Something tells me maybe we'll have at least a little better luck this time. And hey, the last one's not for nothing, because we're gonna make a cool logo tee out of that. So sometimes your what appears as a failure is actually a win. Just needs some reassessment.
All right, let's go.
To the dyeing rack. What's that you kicking it off there with? The blue violet?
Yeah.
That's a good one there. Very colorful. I like the blue violet. I like how it, it's kind of hard to decipher even what color it is. It's like, is it blue? Is it purple? What is it? It's blue violet.
We got some glacier and some deep purple.
Glacier blue, deep purple. Is that dragon fruit?
Yes.
So dragon fruit, blue violet, glacier blue, deep purple. Is that all you're gonna have on it?
Yep.
Alright, so all told, on this one we have glacier blue, blue violet, deep purple, and dragon fruit on our beautiful attempt at a heart tie-dye. thing glisten. Just a glistening in the sun.
I'm telling you, it's going to turn out great.
I know. I can feel it already. No matter what, it's going to look beautiful. A little more glacier blue. And some deep purple. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. Time for the rack? To the drying rack. Top shelf for premium tie-dye, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.